Okay, so here is my task D1. I am Huzaifa KAMRAN, SIT 112, student ID 5024296. This is the task sheet for our distinction task 1. And here are some instructions, and there are some attachments which shows the files attached. Here's the task sheet, directions.pdf. And first of all, as per the instructions, this is the collect file.ipynb. And first of all, according to the instructions, we have to rename the credentials sample.ini file to credentials.ini, as you can see here. And we have to generate the API key from the there is a video which has the instructions, and we have to generate our YouTube API key from there and add the key so we can access the videos, and we can it has a quota so we can access the videos and extract the data out of them. So here I have added the code to add the, basically you have to copy it from this collect.ipynb file, and then add the channel IDs and names, and then you have to run it. And as you run it, you get these comments.csv file and videos.csv file, which has the data extracted from the videos in those channels. And here you have to import some libraries, and then you have to manipulate the file to make the columns for the views, for the likes, and for the comments, like for the counts and all. And then there is this channel mapping which I've done, which is basically the part of the questions given at the end of the file. And this basically creates the file channel_total, so CSV, which has the total number of likes, views, and comments of all these channels. And you can see the output below also. You can see this file, and it shows the numbers of the views and likes and comments. Getting back to the file, as we scroll down, we have imported some libraries to run some functions. And then this T part says that we have to clean and prepare the data, so I've used the cleaning functions here, which creates the files clean_videos.csv and clean_comments.csv. Where is the file? Here is the file. So yeah, it creates these two files. Basically, we are converting the characters to lowercase and removing some special characters and numbers, and removing extra white spaces and trimming or leading or trailing spaces here. So basically, this question asks us to write a Python script to prepare and analyze the video and comment data. We have used pandas to manipulate the data, and matplot or seaborn for the data visualization. Basically, it reads the clean video and comment data from CSV files into data frames, and it has created a few files. As you can see, it has created clean_videos.csv, clean_comments, prepare_comments, and prepare_videos. And as we scroll down, you can see it has files. It has shown a graph. Wait a second. Which has it shows number of videos per year, and it has some more data which shows number of comments per year. And now here there are some questions this is the E1 part, which says that analyze the videos and comments, and this is the part 1, so we have to choose two of the questions. So basically, first question says compare the distribution of numbers of views, likes, and comments for the videos, use visualization, and discuss your observation. It asks to include 3 subplots, one for each variable: number of views, number of likes, number of comments, and display a histogram and all. So here I have used my Python code, and then it shows you can see the output. It shows the distribution of views, distribution of likes, and distribution of comments. And below that, I have added my observation, which is basically engagement spread across all metrics. A small proportion of videos capture most of the engagement, while the majority have lower interaction rates. This indicates a typical phenomenon in social media where viral or high impact content gathers the most engagement, whereas most content remains less interacted with. And there's the other observation you can see. Here below is part 1 question number 2, which says what is the total number of views, likes, and comments for the videos published by different news publishers. And as you remember, like above, during the start of my video, we created a folder named channel_totals.csv, which basically holds the total numbers, views, and likes and comments. So we're going to use that file to extract that, and you can see below it shows the total number of views, total number of likes, and total number of comments for comparisons. And I've shown my observations. You can see there is like a higher rate of for the views, and the likes and comments, they are likewise the same, and they're just negligible. Now skipping to part number 2, because we only had to answer 2 of those questions, and part 2 says that we only have to answer 1 of these questions, as I've answered here. It says, what are the top 10 comments with the most replies? You remember we created a file comments.csv during the start, so we are going to use that to extract. And here you can see that we have created another file which says top 10 comments with most replies.csv. So basically it will show us the data. We can just open this file, and as you can see, it shows the complete data, and even in the output on the terminal it shows. Alright, so that's it for the video. Remember to use your YouTube API accordingly, because it has a set criteria for the quotas, so you can't use it more. If you have to use it, you have to delete, and you have to switch the accounts and generate a new one. And yeah, this task was pretty interesting. I love doing this task. It was pretty technical, but yeah. While starting the task, it was pretty difficult. It seemed difficult because of the instructions. They were like, I must say, vivid instructions. But still, I managed to go through the task, develop a deep understanding, go through my class notes.